Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to discuss with you an important topic of political science, that is outcomes of democracy, class 10th. Students, इस टॉपिक में हमें पढ़ना है outcomes of democracy. Outcomes, students, means नताइज, हासिल, रिजल्ट्स, consequences. जमहूरियत के क्या नताइज, जमहूरियत से हमें क्या फ़ायदा मिलता है. Democratic government, as you know, dear students, is a government which is elected by the people. वो government which is elected by the people. People elect their representatives through elections, through proper procedure, and these representatives, after making government, they frame laws, they design laws, they rule the country according to the interests, according to the desires of the people. Students, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि in democracy all are equal. Students, इस टॉपिक में हमें पढ़ना है बेटा, how democratic government produces an accountable, responsive and legitimate government. जैसा कि बेटा मैंने आपको बताया है कि डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट प्रोड्यूसेस एन अकाउंटेबल मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स जवाबदेह, अकाउंटेबल मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स जवाबदेह, रिस्पॉन्सिव मीन्स जिम्मेदार, एंड लिजिटिमेट स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स जायज. जैसा कि मैंने बेटा आपको कहा कि डेमोक्रेसी प्रोड्यूसेस अकाउंटेबल. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डेमोक्रेसी प्रोड्यूसेस अकाउंटेबल गवर्नमेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप को पता है कि डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इज इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल एंड आफ्टर प्रॉपर procedures and norms, you know, that are followed while making the decision in government. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि अगर गवर्नमेंट को कोई भी डिसीजन लेना हो तो वो उसके लिए एक प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर, प्रॉपर नॉर्म्स फॉलोड करने पड़ते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट if any government take any decision, that government has to consult the people. That government had to take any decision according to the desires, according to the wishes of the people. If they do not do so, the people, after 5 years, they dethroned the government. So democracy here stands, it produces accountable. The representatives are accountable. MLAs, MPs are accountable to people. जिसको हम कहते हैं जवाबदेह. As मैंने कहा कि democracy also produces responsive. Students means जिम्मेदार. You know that in every government there are two parties. Students, आपको पता है कि हर एक गवर्नमेंट है दो पार्टीज, two types of party. For example, one is ruling party, another is opposition party. Ruling party is which is running the government. Opposition parties, although they are in government but they are not in majority. तो जिस पार्टी को मेजॉरिटी नहीं होती है तो वो अपोजिशन में रहती हैं. बेटा, if government, you know that students, in government, opposition parties raise questions, they criticize the government policies, they keep a check on the ruling party and make sure that it does not misuse the power. By this way, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि opposition parties act as a check and balance to the ruling party. By this way, democracy produces responsive government. Democracy produces responsive government. As मैंने आपको कहा है students, democracy also produces legitimate government. Now question is students, what is legitimate government? Any government which is legally chosen by the people is a legitimate government. Students, legitimate government क्या होती है? Legitimate government which is legally chosen, which is according to law, which is according to constitution. Students, you know that government in democracy legitimate government is elected by the people. You know that after every 5 years, through the process of universal adult franchise, a government is elected, government is framed. Any party in the election wins the majority. So whatso party wins the election, that is legally elected, that is according to law. So democracy produces students. Here मैंने कहा कि it produces accountable, it produces responsive, democratic government is also legitimate government. Students, I hope आपको ये टॉपिक समझ में आया होगा. I wish all the best. Thanks.